Hey Guiding Bolt fans, here's another Harry Potter Christmas ornament for our series. Please check out the other videos if you find these interesting. I made these golden snitches. So all you need are a gold ornament and then these feathers that I bought online from Amazon, but you can get from any craft store. And then as you can see, I just cut off the top of that to give it more of that snitch shape like this. And then I have this tool from all my Cricut stuff, and I poked a hole, and then I just used my pliers to make my hole, just kind of wound them around in there like that to make the hole a little bit bigger so it would fit a little bit better. And then I just used hot glue, stuck it in on both sides, and that's all you need to do. It really is super simple. These are a little bit bigger than I thought. I bought the ornaments online, but I think it'll still work. A lot of my other ornaments that I've been making are smaller, so you gotta have different sizes in there. So that is a Harry Potter snitch ornament. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you have any questions, please comment below. As always, I will link the products that I use just to give you an idea down below. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.